Hello students, today we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. What is comparison of numbers? To compare two numbers means to find whether one number is greater than another number. This is greater than sign. One number is less than another number. This is less than sign. Or one number is equal to another number. This is equal to sign. Symbol used to compare numbers. When one number is bigger than another number, we use greater than sign. For example, 9 is greater than 6. When one number is less than another number, we use less than sign. That is, 2 is less than 5. When two numbers are equal, we use equal sign, that is equal to. For example, 7 is equal to 7. Any 3-digit number is bigger than any 2-digit number. So remember students, whenever there is 3-digit and 2-digit, so 3-digit is always bigger than 2-digit number. For example, 321 is greater than 27. 74 is less than 284. So here 3-digit is greater than 2-digit. If both numbers have 3 digits, then the one of the biggest hundreds digit is the bigger number. For example, now here both the numbers are 3 digit, 527 and 369. But we will see at the 100 place, that is the greatest place value here, that is 100 place, 5 and 3. So 5 is bigger than 3. So 527 is greater than 369. Same way 281 and 826. So we will see at the 100 place 2 and 8. 2 is smaller than 8. So 281 is less than 826. Any 3-digit number will be smaller than any 4-digit number. So whenever there are two numbers, one is 3-digit and one is 4-digit, then 4-digit will always bigger than 3-digit. So for example, 843 is less than 1754. Same way 2540 is greater than 911. So your 4-digit is always greater than 3-digit. If all digits of both the number are same, then the numbers are equal. So both the side numbers are same digit and same number, then we will put equal to sign. 2 is equal to 2. Same way 743 is equal to 743. 4539 is equal to 4539. So this symbol will open its mouth near the bigger digit, big, and it will point to the small digit. If two numbers have the same numbers of digit, Then we compare the two numbers by comparing digits at different place starting from the largest place. That is from 1000, then thousands place is same, then we will go to 100 place, 100 place is same, then we will go to tens, and tens place is same, then we will go to unit place. So we will start from largest place, that is from thousands place. Step 1. Compare largest place value digit, leftmost digit in both the numbers. The number with greater digit is greater of the two. For example, we will see here two numbers are given, 2640 and another number is 4752. We will compare its largest place value, that is 2 and 4 thousands place. So in first number thousands place 2 is there, and in second number thousands place 4 is there. So 4 is bigger than 2, so 2640 is less than 4752. Step 2. If the leftmost digit are same, then compare the next place value digit, that is second digit from the left. The number with greater digit is the greater of the two. Repeat step 2 until you find unequal digits at corresponding place. So we will compare these two numbers, 2640 and 2652. First we will take thousands place. Both the numbers at thousands place is 2. So we will go to 100 place. Both the number 100 place are also same. 6, here also 6. So we will go to tens place. The first number 2640, tens place is 4. And in 2652, tens place is 5. So 5 is bigger than 4. So number 2640 is less than 2652. Step 3. If all digits of both the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal. Now here two numbers are there, 2640 and here also 2640. All the digits from thousands to unit place, all the digits are same, so both the numbers are equal. So we will put equal to sign. Exercise. Compare the number with symbol less than, greater than or equal to sign. Look at the first example. 5947 is greater than 2637. Here we will compare both the thousands place, that is 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2, so we will write 5947 is greater than 2637. Look at the next example. 9999 is equal to 9999. Here all the four digits from 1000 to unit place, all the digits are equal, so we have put equal to sign. See the next example. 1253 is less than 3521. So we have compared at the biggest place, that is thousands place. In the first number 1 is at the thousands place, in the next number 3 is at the thousands place. So 1253 is less than 3521. So students, remaining 3 example you will do as a homework. Compare the digits from thousands place to unit place from leftmost side to right side and put the correct symbol at their place. Question number 2. Complete the following table. Here in the 3 columns are there numbers smaller and bigger. So we have to put the smaller number in the smaller column and bigger number in the bigger column. So here two numbers are 2123 and 1968. Which number is smaller? Compare the thousands place at both the number. First number thousands place there is 2 and in the next number thousands place is 1. So 1968 is smaller. We will write in smaller column and 2123 is bigger. So we will write in bigger column. Let us do the next one more example. 2342 and next number is 2432. So we will compare the first thousands place. Both the digit are 2. So we will compare at 100 place. First number 3 is on the 100 place and in next number 4 is on the 100 place. So 4 is bigger than 3. So we will write 2342 in the smaller column and 2432 in the bigger column. So student, remaining 3 examples you do by your own. Thank you.